Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Sembut Menteri Rangba Kejela. Uba kami ia katanat kampo yeng uba perston tensong haka kadway tarik uyayong arajar arpsan ula kerpat ye ki Sengbhalang ba kimday satya ban Shim ya kaan hagi kitila jong haba kentho ye ki jingyakhi badang shen ha kabaiday bat ka thungkam ha Northeastern Indira Gandhi Regional Institute of Health and Medical Science uba tensong ula ajingmot ye ki seng bat kerpat ru ba kimday ban tampalat put ya kaan ne bagin Shim ye ki an haki kitila jong hanrei kanu ka kambale kadai banya lingba jong kaan.
Be it a pressure group or be it anybody, I would request to everyone that we should, whatever we do, it should be guided, prescribed norms of the law. We can't, take the law on our own hands. So whatever it should be as per the law, prescribed. So I would request, yes, there may be some kind of, discussion or meeting with different agencies. I mean, we welcome that, but at the same time, you cannot just take the law in your hand.